effort to remain forever young, the world is fast becoming a place where every challenge has a possible solution, especially if this challenge is beauty related. I guess it's true what they say, we women make the world go round. Thank you so much for joining me right here at this timeless medical spa. My name is Sarah Nuteshna, and this is the Skin Therapy Show. And once again, thank you so much for joining us on this week's episode of the Skin Therapy Show. Just to remind you that my name is Sarah Nuteshna, and today I'm joined here by two gorgeous ladies, Paris Mbuthia and Jay. Welcome to the Skin Therapy Show, ladies.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're looking fantastic.
Thanks a lot. Thank you again.
Let me start with you, Paris. What do you do and how long have you been doing this for?
I'm a medical esthetician right here in Nairobi, Kenya at Timeless Medical Spa. I've been doing this for over, honestly, 20 years. I love skin, I love beauty, I love wellness. Anything to do with beauty, I'm in. So really, I love what I do. Okay,
that's a puff girl right there. Jay, what's your area of expertise?
I'm the manager at Timeless Medical Spa and also the product specialist. My love for natural products is what got me stuck here till now. Yeah.
All right. Ladies, today we are talking about anti-aging, and I'm sure you guys are the best to, discuss with me this topic. And you back at home, just in case you have questions in regards to today's topic, please be sure to send us this, questions on our social media platforms. That is Facebook, The Skin Therapy Show, Instagram and Twitter at The Skin Therapy Show. Let me start with you, Paris. When we talk about anti-aging, what exactly are we covering?
Well, anti-aging can be broad depending with how you look at it.
Yeah.
For example, what is aging? Aging truly is a process whereby your face, your skin, your body, your brain even start showing sign of aging. So let's say skin, for example. We have something that is called cells in our body. We all know that our body is built of cells, yeah? Those cells, normally when we're young, they are nice and fluffed up, yeah? Then they start dividing. As they divide, there's something we call chromosome. The end of that chromosome, there's something we call telomeres. When it's shortened, the sign of aging start happening. And physically, you can see them. And that is when the aging process starts. And there's a lot of things you can do to slow it down, but let's face it, age is gonna happen anyway.
Yeah, very true. So does the anti-aging, do the signs come with the age?
Totally, yes, and true, because aging can be affected by so many things. For example, you're right, yeah, aging, time. We cannot help it, right? If I put a 20-year-old here, a 10-year-old, a 30-year-old, a 60-year-old, you will know the difference in age because time, you cannot help it. Yeah. There's also something to do with toxin. Yeah, the toxin that are in the air, the free radicals that affect our cells, and therefore the aging start happening. It also can be brought by environment, right? The environment you are in, stress of life. Life today is very stressful. I don't know about you, but
trust me, it is.
So depending with how you're managing your stress and how you're managing even depression, some people even allow the stress to go all the way to depression, and of course that is going to show on your skin. So it's a lot of things that play a role.
That build up to
exactly
to that,
to the sign of aging.
Okay.
Yeah.
Jay, in your own words, how can you tell, or what are the very first signs of anti-aging, or sorry, aging?
Oh, all right. You would have fine lines for ladies, wrinkles in your hands. Obviously, some gray faster than others. Laughter lines tend to be deeper. Skin sags. Crow's feet and all that. And also, premature aging brings all that about as well.
Jay, why do you think all of a sudden we have this wave of people trying to bleach their skin?
I think it's something that's been ongoing for a while now. It's not something that just cropped up.
All right.
It's just been brought to light, rather. They think the lighter you are, you attract more attention. It is true. Let a dark girl pass.
Who is they?
Okay, let me put this. Men put that on us as well.
Okay.
Right? If a light-skinned girl was to pass and a dark skin, the light skin would get more attention.
Okay.
It's a fact. You go buy something out there, like I'll use myself as an example. If I want to go buy something, the minute they see me, because of my color, 1,000 bob is put on top.
Oh my
You
goodness.
get, so they
All
think,
right,
yeah, you're light skin, you must have money. So
Yeah.
this makes the darker skin get
Inferior?
yes, they feel that inferiority complex seeps in. So they want to bleach as well. It's not bad to bleach if it rocks your boat, why not do it?
Yeah.
But do it the right way,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And we should be able to. There's black beauties up there. Look at Lupita. She's got
She's
flawless skin.
amazing. I love
yeah,
her skin. Yeah.
amazing. You see, naturalista. So if we accept who we are and we are confident, we don't need all that. But if you're going to go down that road, do it the right way. What's the point of looking all hot on top and then look at your feet? It's like you borrowed someone's feet.
Very
See?
true.
Yeah.
Or your knuckles.
Oh,
They look
yeah.
dark, you know?
So you have to sit like that the whole time somewhere.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah, very true. And just speaking of which, I have experienced a case of the reverse where, you know, my skin color has been at disadvantage because I'm an actor as well. And I have tried to audition for international movies. And most of the time, the casting agent tells me, you're not African enough.
Isn't that an irony?
Yes, you're not African enough, so you cannot be casted for this kind of a movie. And you know, the one thing that makes us Africans is the diversity of our skin color.
True
You know,
that.
so it doesn't mean that being light skin or being dark skin adds or you know
Beauty is in the eyes of the
beauty is
beholder.
very true.
So it don't matter what color you are.
Yeah.
I think what really matters is your inside.
Yeah.
Are you happy with you? Because
Exactly.
remember, you carry this. It's you. You live in this body. So really, what you should really worry about is you. Are you happy with how you look? Are you feeling okay with how you look? Because honestly, if you're going to change your color according to what people want you to look like, tomorrow black might be the in thing.
Oh, very true.
Tomorrow it might be just to, you know, to really look good, you need to look that. So are you going to do the
You
reverse
cannot
again?
reverse.
So I
Yeah,
think
very
that's
true.
where I'm coming from. If it's okay for you to appreciate the color you are, stay there. But if you must change it, do it the right way.
Your tone should not define you.
Exactly.
Exactly.
And again, we cannot overemphasize on the fact that you need, if you want to, you know, lighten your skin or brighten your skin, make sure that you're seeking professional help. You know, go to the people who know exactly what they're doing, to the medical spas, not to River Road, and you know, get yourself into something that you can never reverse. So let's talk about products, Paris. We know there are a lot of products out there, and people keep on selling you products, and in the name of this product is going to make sure that your skin is going to be youthful, young, and fresh. Yeah, people have very good marketing skills. How do you get to determine that this product is good enough for me?
That's honestly, it's a catch-24 because let's face it, it's a marketing strategy. If I'm selling product, I'll tell you mine is the best. Somebody else will tell you theirs is the best. So I think information is power. Number one, do your own research. Like, know what are good product, what are they supposed to have in them, what are the ingredients that I'm looking for. For example, when it comes to anti-aging, we know the good anti-aging product should have vitamin A, should have E, a C should be somewhere. You know, those three are the vital vitamins that really help with aging process. So it's very important to educate yourself and know the products that are supposed to help to stimulate your fibroblasts, which increase the collagen level in the skin and therefore making you look youthful. If you don't know that, then you'll be gullible to buying anything and everything that is written is anti-aging. You know what I mean? I think it start by you educating yourself before you even step out to buy a product.
Yeah. And also, it is good for you to just Google is your friend.
I
mean,
love
it's available.
Googling. Yeah.
Read about it, read and get to know which ingredients are being used in what kind of a product, and know your skin as well. And also the fact that you can collaborate with your dermatologist or your doctor to let you know what kind of ingredients work for you and what cannot work for you.
Exactly.
So ladies, let's talk about the assurance once again of your products, which we will come to. The assurance that these products are really going to work. What is the assurance and what makes your products stand out?
To be quite honest, why I went for Lacure Beauty product, it is because it's an organic line. Number one, I put my skin through a lot of product for like 3 to 5 years using different product for like a 6 month. You know why? It takes about 3 to 6 months for you to know if the product is actually agreeing with your skin type. Yes, there's something we call purging. If a product is doing what it's supposed to do, if you have guns that need to come out, you have things that it need to bring to the surface, it's going to do so. And a lot of people mistake that for a product not working for me. You get what I mean? So we have people moving from one product, jumping from one product to the next, every 2, 3, 4 months. Why? Because as soon as a product do what it's supposed to do, they bail. They say it's not working, it's not doing what it's supposed to do.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what are we going to do today?
I'm glad you asked.
Because I'm looking forward to, to get my skin to perfection.
For truly lovely you, today we've decided, even though you are young, because we want to prove to you that anti-aging treatment are not just for people over 30, over 40, over 50. No, you can start this as much, like I said, the aging process starts from the mid-20s. So we're going to do for you an anti-aging treatment that we normally do at Timeless, which using light therapy, using microdermabrasion, using a nice anti-aging mask, and not to forget the pure oxygen.
All right, so all that is going to happen in one procedure.
In one procedure, it normally takes us an hour to an hour, 15 minutes, and you will leave here looking glorious.
Okay, and on that note, I cannot wait. I need to go and get my youthful self on check. In case you have any questions, please do not forget that Paris and Jay are here. Send your questions to Facebook, The Skin Therapy Show, Instagram and Twitter at The Skin Therapy Show. Ladies, shall we?
Sure.
Okay.
Welcome back. I'm your co-host Roshanara Ibrahim and you're still watching The Skin Therapy Show. We're at Lavington Mall at the beautiful Timeless Spa with Mrs. Paris, who's going to tell us all you need to know about anti-aging. Welcome back to the show, Mrs. Paris.
Thank you very much.
I feel so wrong calling you Mrs. Paris though, because you have skin, beautiful, beautiful skin. It looks 20 years old even. Better than mine. Viewers at home, if you guys were here and you could look at her skin up close, you would not believe it. The glow, the moisture. I'm inspired. So what do you do? I mean, your skin is so gorgeous. You have beautiful, moist, glowy skin that looks 15, honestly. Even 20 is pushing limits. What do you do every day?
Oh, that is so kind of you, darling. But to be quite honest, and don't tell anybody, shh, I'm on my early 40s. But I do all the steps that I'm going to explain today. I do facial smart once a month. I eat well, I exercise, and not to forget, for digestion, I know we were joking earlier on, I take that doctor recommended, not that I'm trying to promote alcohol, I take a small glass of light wine or eat grapes every day to aid digestion.
Okay, I believe it's time to start now. We have our beautiful TV host come model here. How do we start the procedure?
Hello, Miss Sarah.
Hello.
How are you? Thank you very much for honestly agreeing to be my guinea pig today. But hey, let's see what you feel here. Why we do this at Timeless? Because before I touch your face, we need to know your age because we customize all our treatment according to age. We also going to know what skin type you are because we're going to put you in this beautiful machine here, which will tell us your skin type. You will also see what's going on inside your skin. You're going to put your face right inside and bring it so close to the mirror inside there so we can see, both of us, what's happening inside your skin. You comfortable there? You're good? Alright, let's do things.
Okay, so we've seen Sarah go through her analysis and she's very shocked with what she's seeing. She's realized she has dark circles, she has oil glands that need to be dealt with, and this is something I'm actually looking forward to get done. But in the meantime, Paris is going to tell us what this procedure entails and what's going to be happening within the next few minutes.
Hi, Miss Sarah. Now, according to what we've seen today we're going to do a few things. We call it combined therapy. So to start off with it, we're going to cleanse your face and then we're going to do microdermabrasion to exfoliate the top layer. Then after that, we're going to do something called light therapy where we have 4 lights. The blue light will take care of the oils you have. Then the green light will take care of the hyperpigmentation we've seen that you're starting to have from the sun damage for not using sunscreen when you are young. And then yellow will detoxify. Remember what we said earlier, if you have toxin, they will actually make your skin look tired. So, and then after that, we're going to do leg. It's never too early to start tightening and lifting your skin. So we're going to do that. And after that, we're going to do double oxygen, where you're going to breathe the oxygen to kind of renew yourself from the cellular level, and then we spray it to plump up and rejuvenate your skin. Is that okay? Yes.
This looks quite scary.
This one is going to...
What material is this? Is this copper or? Okay, so go ahead. Are you feeling it in your teeth?
Yeah, you feel it, yeah.
Well, there you have it. Unfortunately, because we only get to spend a certain amount of time with you every week, we can't show you the whole procedure, but we'll definitely brief you. The next 10 minutes is basically the same thing, but with a flatter surface. And you say this is another 10 minutes? So this is the magic machine. So with this kind of treatment, we have no excuse not to have perfect skin.
Yeah, you see, it's a machine.
Life just keeps getting harder and harder.
Yeah.
Well, there you have it. If you're born with beautiful skin and you want to experience perfect skin, Timeless Spa, Lavington Mall.